Hello dear students, class 8 science chapter 2 video lecture part 2. Dear students, after microorganism we will start habitat of microorganism. Microorganism may be single celled like bacteria, some algae and protozoa, or multicellular such as algae and fungi. Here algae are both under single cell unicellular as well as multicellular. They are found everywhere. They can survive in all types of habitat. Microorganisms, they are found everywhere around us and they can survive in any type of condition. They can live in ice cold water, salty water, hot spring, desert, marshy land, daldali bhumi. They are also found inside the bodies of animals including humans like us. Our body contains lactobacillus for better digestion. Some of them grow on other organisms while others exist freely. कुछ दूसरों पे निर्भर होते हैं. They are depend on others for nutrition or host body, whereas some are freely available in the environment. Some organisms like amoeba, which is unicellular, live alone, whereas fungi and bacteria live in colonies, group में. Now, microorganism and us. The use of microorganism are there. They plays both positive as well as negative role in our life. They play important role in our lives. Microorganisms are divided into two classes based on their behavior. First, friendly microorganism. Second, harmful microorganism. Now we will see useful microorganism or friendly microorganism. So, when microorganisms benefit us and they are useful in food and beverage industry. Here the word beverage means drinks. It may be cold drink, soft drink, like that. Every kind of drinks comes under beverages. जो पेय हम देते हैं, अब जैसे गेस्ट को देते हैं या कभी हम खुद कंज्यूम करते हैं, like that. Beverages. Making medicines and vaccines. Third, cleaning the environment. And fourth, in agriculture. We are using majorly microorganisms in this particular area. We will start with food and beverage industry. Microorganisms are used in food and beverage industries. First, making curd and cheese. दही और चीज़ बनाने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. Bacteria can be used to prepare some of the most common foods such as curd, cheese, vinegar. Vinegar, sirka, in Hindi sirka, tea and coffee. Curd contains lactobacillus bacteria. This is very important. Lactobacillus bacteria, it's a good bacteria, lactobacillus. When a little curd is added to milk, the bacteria multiply and convert the milk into curd. जब हम दही को मिल्क में, दूध में मिलाते हैं तो दूध फट जाता है. Because of lactobacillus bacteria, they are start multiplying. वो आपस में बढ़ने लगते हैं, जैसे 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, like that. They are forming colonies. Okay. And convert the milk into curd. Cheese and paneer, cottage cheese, can also be prepared from milk using lactobacillus. Now we'll see making of bread. A type of unicellular fungus known as yeast, खमीरीकरण के लिए इसका इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, फर्मेंटेशन के लिए. Yeast is used to make bread from wheat flour. The yeast breaks down the sugar present in the wheat flour to produce alcohol and carbon dioxide. This alcohol is commonly known as ethanol. Scientific term is ethanol. This process is known as fermentation. Fermentation in Hindi it is known as khamirikaran. Okay, sorry for disturbance. In 1857, Louis Pasteur discovered fermentation process. Now we'll see the term fermentation sometimes refers specifically to the chemical conversion of sugars into ethanol. Sugars means carbohydrate. Simple form of carbohydrate is sugar, which is converted chemically into ethanol. Ethanol is the group of, it's a liquid from the alcohol group only. There are different types of alcohols: ethanol, propanol, butanol, methanol, etc. Okay, so here it forms ethanol, producing alcoholic drinks such as wine, beer and cider, etc. This process is known to prepare other alcoholic beverages. Now one thing is there in green box: all microbes in our body are not harmful. Bacteria such as Escherichia coli and lactobacillus that live in our intestine, these are helping in digestion of food. Making alcohol beverages with the help of microorganisms. Alcoholic beverages such as wine and beer are produced by fermenting the sugar present in grapes, barley using yeast. अल्कोहलिक जो मदिरा पेय वगैरह है उनको बनाने के लिए भी ईस्ट का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. बार्ली मीन्स जौ, ग्रेप्स आपको तो पता ही, अंगूर. ओके, some medicinal uses are as follows. In making medicines, vaccines and vitamins, microorganisms are used in preparation of medicine, vaccine and vitamins. First we will see making in antibiotics, how microorganisms are useful. Certain bacteria and fungi are used to make antibiotics. Here the term antibiotics are medicines that destroy or inhibit, हमेशा के लिए समाप्त करना या ग्रोथ को रोक देना. Inhibit the growth of disease causing microorganism. जब कोई इन्फेक्शन हो जाता है, बीमारी हो जाती है, तो हमको डॉक्टर एंटीबायोटिक्स देते हैं ताकि जो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म, हार्मफुल जर्म्स, माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म हमारी बॉडी में या हमारी बॉडी को इन्फेक्ट किए हुए हैं उनको रोका जा सके या डिस्ट्रॉय किया जा सके. The first antibiotic called penicillin was derived from fungus called Penicillium notatum. There is an interesting story behind this discovery. Penicillin was discovered by Dr. Alexander Fleming as shown in the figure. In 1929, Alexander Fleming was sorting some petri dishes. Petri dishes are made up of glasses. They are mostly used for experiment, scientific experiment and research containing Staphylococcus bacteria. Staphylococcus is the branch of bacteria, type of bacteria, he noticed that one such petri dish, a colony of fungus was growing. उन्होंने देखा कि पेट्री डिश पे जो कांच की तश्तरी है उस पे स्टेफिलोकोकस बैक्टीरियाज और फ्यू फंगस की कॉलोनी ग्रो हो रही है. इट सीम्ड as if the fungus was secreting a substance that prevented the growth of bacteria. उन्होंने देखा कि फंगस क्या कर रहे हैं, कुछ सिक्रेशन कर रहे हैं, कुछ रस बाहर की तरफ फेंक रहे हैं, लिक्विड, जिससे क्या हो रहा है कि बैक्टीरिया की जो अनवांटेड ग्रोथ है वो स्टॉप हो जा रही है या रुक जा रही है, इनहिबिट हो जा रही है. Since the secretions were of the fungus called पेनिसिलियम, और वो जो सिक्रेशन था केमिकल सब्सटेंस का फंगस से, दैट वाज पेनिसिलियम. फ्लेमिंग नेम द बैक्टीरिया किलिंग सिक्रेशन एज पेनिसिलिन. स्ट्रेप्टोमाइसिन, टेट्रासाइक्लिन, इरिथ्रोमाइसिन are some other common antibiotics used to control diseases in animals such as plants. Streptomycin, tetracycline and erythromycin, these are the some form of antibiotics which are used against disease causing bacteria in plants as well as animals. Some facts about antibiotics. Antibiotics are effective only against bacteria and fungi. They do not work against viruses. So antibiotics only they are working against bacteria. B for biotics, B for bacteria. You can match like this. For viruses, antiviral are there. Therefore, it is important to find out the type of pathogen. Pathogen, disease causing microorganism are known as pathogen. Kitanu, Jeevanu, they are known as pathogens. Before taking the medicine, for example, infections such as common cold and sore throat, गला कभी खराश हो जाती है, that is known as sore throat, सर्दी जुकाम, are generally caused by viruses. And taking antibiotics do not really help in such cases. अगर वायरल इन्फेक्शन है, वायरस का इन्फेक्शन हुआ है तो एंटीबायोटिक्स विल नॉट वर्क. Antibiotics should be taken only when prescribed by a qualified doctor. When antibiotics are overused, the bacteria are likely to become resistant to those medicines, and thus the antibiotics becomes less effective against a particular type of bacterium. पहली बात, first thing, we don't have to consume antibiotics without doctor's prescription or advice. Now, regular amount is needed of antibiotic. Don't take overuse or large amount. If necessary, then only we have to take antibiotics. Otherwise, it will give side effect to our body system, as well as the bacteria, the disease causing bacteria will become resistant. वो क्या हो, ऐसे हो जाएंगे कि वो एंटीबायोटिक्स जो हमने ओवर यूज़ की है, ओवर कंज्यूम की है, वो बैक्टीरियाज पे प्रभावी या इफेक्टिव नहीं रह जाएंगे. ओके, now it is also crucial to complete the entire course of medication even if the condition improves. Otherwise, some bacteria may survive in the body, causing the infection to recur. जब हमें डॉक्टर ने दवा दी है कि आपको 5 दिन दवा लेनी है, तो we have to follow the instructions of given by doctors. We have to complete the course of antibiotics. Otherwise, the infection will recur. वापस से infection हो जाएगा, कुछ दिन तक बैक्टीरिया शांत रहेंगे, फिर एक्टिव हो जाएंगे, फिर इन्फेक्शन हो जाएगा. सो वी हैव टू कंप्लीट आवर मेडिकल कोर्स और मेडिसिन कोर्स.